Hello everyone. So today we are going to look at the new components which are being released by Aceternity UI. The first one is background beams with collision. As you can see, they are exploding when they are hitting the surface, right? This is pretty cool, right? So to use this component, I don't have the Next.js project, so I'm going to create one. I'm going to go to the installation and I'm going to copy this command. Aceternity UI sometimes crashes, right? It just happens with me, or like it's happening with you guys as well. Let's go into incognito. Now it's working. So let's just try to install it. I'm going to call it my app only. We are not going to, or maybe we can use TypeScript. Yeah, we will use TypeScript. We are not going to specifically use TypeScript. You can follow along with JavaScript as well. No, ESLint gives us stupid errors. Tailwind, yes. SRC, no. App router, yes. No. Now let's see. What else do we need? Okay, this is how install Tailwind. I think we already have installed it. Has it? Yes. Now let's add utilities. This is what we need. Let's navigate to our project first. Now install utilities. Okay, now we need to create a util file. I'll create it this way. Now just copy this, paste it here. This should be fine. No, we are not going to do this. Let's just try to use this. We have already installed this. Maybe we need this as well. Do we? Let's see if they have any. No, I don't think they are using any icons, so we will be fine, I think. Let's just copy this code. Firstly, just copy this. We have to create a file. Click on new file. Paste this. This will create a components folder, a UI folder. Inside it will create a file called background beams. Now just copy this. I will copy TypeScript. I'll paste it here. Let's just go here. Okay. So this is all we need, I think. Let's just copy this. I'm still going to use TypeScript. You can copy the JavaScript code as well. Let's go to our page file. Remove everything, I think. I'll try to remove everything. We need to create a component also. So I'll just create a folder called _components. Inside it, I will create a collision file. tsx. Paste everything here. Copy this. Use it here. Import it. Close it. Let's try to run our project. Let's see what we have. Oh, it's already working so cool, right? Can't wait to use this for my portfolio. This will look so good in my portfolio. Let's see if it's responsive. Oh, it is looking responsive. Yes, it is, I think. Now let's try to use the another component. The another component which I wanted to use was timeline. Say this line going here. It's looking pretty sick, right? Let's try to use this. So to use this, we have already done this. Just copy this. Maybe I will just copy this. Click on my app, new file, paste. We already have components UI, so it will create a timeline.tsx file. It has. Now just copy this. We are going to use TypeScript. Just paste it here. Let's just copy this. Okay, I will still copy it. TypeScript, new file, timeline.tsx, paste everything. Now what are we exporting from here? We are exporting timeline demo. Let's remove this, replace this with this, close it, import it. Let's see what we have. Okay, we are already getting an error. We need to configure this into our config file. Inside we are going to use images. Yes, this will be an object. Okay, this will, I think, something called domains, right? Domains. This will be an array. Let's try to refresh our code. And there we have it. This is pretty sick, right? And to configure this, what we can do is, in this timeline, we can change text, change images. We can change text again from here, change here. It's pretty configurable, right? And there's also one thing we have to see. I think this is pretty nice, but I don't think I will ever use this. Let's try to switch. This floating dock is pretty nice. I think we should go to dark mode first. This is pretty nice as well. The one I have already showed you. This one is pretty cool, right? I think I'm going to use this only. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.